everyone and welcome to the IoT Forge Unplugged podcast. Every 2 weeks we pick the most exciting news from the world of IoT and share them with you in this short podcast, where I break down the latest updates and trends. I would love for you to get involved, whether it's sharing feedback, suggesting news stories I might have missed, because let's be honest, my interests sometimes reflect my own hobbies, or joining the conversation about these updates. So let's get started. Today is February 4th, and this is our third episode of 2025. And I'll be completely honest with you, these past 2 weeks have not been very rich in news in the IoT world. Most of the news were shared at CES, and it's kind of a calm period now. For this episode, I want to focus on something more specific in one area as opposed to covering a wide variety of news. Recently, I came across a couple of news stories and articles about robotics and their role in different areas. I want to highlight 3 particular cases: medical, manufacturing, and food. And to start a new tradition, every odd episode, I will include a few observations from the personal projects I am working on. Stay tuned to learn how to use fewer microcontrollers to make life easier. Okay, here we go. First topic: robotics in medicine, particularly surgical robots. My brother is a surgeon, and I often hear different stories from him about the challenges and advancements in the medical field. One of the most exciting developments is the use of robotics in surgery, which significantly reduces human error and improves patient outcomes. Recent advancements in AI-powered surgical technology are transforming the operating room. For instance, new surgical guidance platforms leverage advanced computer vision and AI to provide real-time 3D anatomical mapping. This technology captures high-definition views of the surgery and integrates vast amount of data, such as CT and MRI scans, to deliver precise guidance to surgeons. This is akin to having a real-time GPS system for surgery, which adapts to changes in patient body and provides critical insight to improve surgical outcomes. Another significant technology is volumetric intelligence, which creates a 3D view of anatomy and the surgical space without using radiation. This reduces the need for radiation-based imaging, making surgeries safer for both patient and surgical staff. Additionally, AI-driven overlays assist surgeons in real time, aiming to reduce errors and boost overall outcomes. Robotic systems are also being developed to handle specific surgical tasks with high precision. For example, imitation learning from video recordings allows robots to perform tasks like tissue manipulation or suturing. This not only enhances the accuracy of these procedures, but also frees up surgeons to focus on more complex aspects of the surgery. Furthermore, light field rendering technology captures 3D data in real time, allowing for high-fidelity visualization of the surgical scene. This technology helps guide surgical decisions in real time, improving the precision and efficiency of the procedures. These technological advancements are crucial in addressing the looming shortage of surgeons, especially in rural areas where access to surgical care is limited. By enabling skilled surgeons to scale their abilities and reach underserved patients, these technologies could transform the field of surgery and elevate the standard of care worldwide. You can find all links to the articles with more details in the podcast description or in our team's channel. Manufacturers are facing widespread shortage of skilled labor, but more intelligent automation could alleviate the problem. One exciting development in these fields is the use of highly autonomous work cells, which make production more flexible and less labor-intensive. Watch out! A company specializing in precise manufacturing has developed autonomous CNC cells that use patented sensors and machine learning for precision manufacturing in industries like aerospace, automotive, and medical. These work cells offer level 5 autonomy for tasks such as material handling, machining, and inspection. The key technology here is the integration of advanced sensors and AI to monitor and adjust the machining process in real time. This allows for precise control and continuous learning, ensuring high-quality production with minimal human interventions. The system can handle new work orders, calibration, optimization, and dynamic adjustments to the production process autonomously. Another interesting concept is robotics as a service, which allows companies to subscribe to a robotics system rather than purchase them outright. This model offers several benefits, including reduced capital expenditure and continuous updates to the technology, ensuring that the systems remain state-of-the-art. By adopting these advanced technologies, manufacturers can address labor shortages, improve production efficiency, and maintain high standards of quality. These innovations also enable the reshoring of production, bringing manufacturing jobs back to local markets. Let's switch gears to an area that, much like surgeons and skilled manufacturers, is also facing a workforce shortage. Quick service restaurants. Yes, you heard that right. While hospitals struggle to find enough surgeons and manufacturers face skilled labor gaps, fast food joints are in the same boat. In fact, a whopping 70% of restaurant operators report having job opening they can't fill, and 45% say they lack enough staff to meet customer demand. With turnover rates in quick service restaurants reaching 150% annually, it's no wonder the industry is turning to automation. But don't worry, robots are here to save the day. Thanks to new tech, even younger workers who were previously too young to legally operate deep fryers can now jump into the action. Who knew flipping fries would become a high-tech career path? At the rate, we might see surgical robots flipping burgers next. Miso Robotics has unveiled its next-generation Flippy Fry Station, an AI-powered robot designed to automate the preparation of fried foods like French fries, onion rings, and chicken. This new version boasts improvements in precision, consistency, and efficiency, promising immediate return of investment for quick-serve restaurants. One of the standout features of the new Flippy Fry Station is its enhanced safety measures, which allow employees under 18 to operate the machine, addressing labor shortage in the fast food industry. This innovation comes at a crucial time when restaurants are struggling to hire enough kitchen workers. Key features of the new Flippy Fry Station include transitioning from an experimental product to a scalable industrial solution. It is now the most reliable fry station automation product on the market. The new model is 50% smaller, fitting into a wide range of kitchen layouts. Installation can be completed overnight, reducing downtime significantly. With the faster robotic arms and AI vision system, it can process over 100 baskets per hour, nearly double the capacity of human workers. Upgraded interface with LED lights and grease-resistant display simplifies onboarding and daily operations. It also includes 24/7 support, warranty, preventive maintenance, and optional POS integration. Miso Robotics has partnered with White Castle and other major brands for pilot programs, showing that the new Flippy is half the size, twice as fast, and installs in just a few hours. The system is designed to be cost-effective, with a rental price of $5,400 per month, potentially saving restaurants $4,000 to $20,000 monthly through labor redeployment and reduced food waste. Hygiene system provider Ecolab has also contributed to the project, enhancing the robot's cleaning speed and food safety capabilities. Ecolab's sales team will now offer Flippy rentals, supported by their 6,000 sales professionals. In summary, the new Flippy fry station by Mr. Robotics represents a significant advancement in kitchen automation, addressing labor shortage and operational challenges, while improving safety and efficiency in the fast food industry. Well, from robots flipping fries, let's jump into personal projects. Because, let's be honest, we all love a good smart home upgrade. A long time ago in one of the IoT Forge tech talks, I mentioned that I use Xiaomi Mijia LYWSD03MMC, a little Bluetooth thermometer, as part of my smart home setup. I've got about 10 of them scattered across different areas, because, one is never enough. But there is a catch. Bluetooth has a pretty limited range, and I could not rely on just one router to cover everything. So my solution? 3 ESP32 devices, one for each floor, running ESP home firmware. They grab the temperature data via Bluetooth Low Energy and send it over Wi-Fi to my home assistant setup. Pretty neat, right? But there's the thing, I started feeling like I wasn't really using my ESP32s for their full potential. Then about 4 or 5 months ago, I remembered a community member mentioning an experimental firmware that unlocks Zigbee functionality in these thermometers. So naturally I had to try it. Flashed one of the devices and boom, it instantly showed up in my ZHA integration. And the best part? Since I already have a bunch of IKEA Trat-free bulbs acting as Zigbee routers, I don't have to worry about coverage anymore. So if you've got one of these thermometers and are still using Bluetooth Low Energy and you also have a Zigbee router, give it a shot. Worst case, you can always roll back if it doesn't work out. I've dropped a link to the full list of supported devices in the podcast description. Happy hacking! And that's a wrap for today's episode. As always, you will find all the links in the description. I hope you enjoyed the insights and updates we shared. Whether you're exploring the latest IoT innovation or grappling with the challenges of evolving technologies, remember, this podcast is here to keep you informed and inspired. Don't forget, your voice matters. If you got news, feedbacks, or ideas you'd like to share, I would love to hear from you. This is a community-driven space, and your input helps make it even better. And if you haven't already, check out IoT Forge, our vibrant community for learning, sharing, and connecting with like-minded enthusiasts. It's a great place to make your IoT journey to the next level. Until next time, stay curious, keep innovating, and take care. Cheers!